Hey there, Mr. Wilford again. I just wanted to go through a few of these, a couple of these problems here with you, um, with Chapter 13, Section 1, a couple of these odd ones. If you take a look at number 3, it says find the value of the sine, cosine, and tangent functions for theta. Again, when you go through, you want to take a look at these trig functions here, and you want to make sure that you take the time to locate where theta is. For number 3, theta is right here, and then you have to pick the right side. So what I did is I took sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, so opposite side is 3 over the hypotenuse, which is the long side here, is the square root of 13. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, so adjacent means next to, so that would be 2 over the square root of 13, that's the hypotenuse. And tangent theta is opposite over adjacent, so from my angle theta, the opposite would be 3 over adjacent would be 2. Now what your book is going to do is they're going to tell you that you cannot have this square root of 13 in the denominator, so that's called rationalizing the denominator. You want to get rid of the radicals. So one way you can do that is to multiply that fraction by the square root of 13, top and bottom, and that will get rid of the radical in the denominator. And so what you're going to end up with here is 3 times the square root of 13 over 13. So that really is the answer that you want there. And same thing here, it would be 2 times the square root of 13 divided by 13. And then of course this tangent theta here is equal to 3/2. That's fine. For number 5, if you take a look at that, it says use the trig function to find the value of x. And so we're trying to find this side right here, that's the x. We're given the adjacent side, so that means I want to use cosine of 30 degrees is equal to the adjacent, which is going to be 50, divided by the hypotenuse, which in this case is x. So now I want to be able to solve for x. So when I do that, I'm going to multiply x to both sides to get rid of the fraction. So I get x times cosine of 30 degrees is equal to 50. Then divide both sides by cosine 30 degrees. 50 over cosine 30 degrees. And then I can grab my calculator and punch that in to actually solve for x. Again, just make sure your calculator is in degrees. 50 divided by, on this calculator I have to press 30 first, then cosine, and then equals. So I get 57.7. 57.7 would be x. All right, I hope that helps you get started. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.